Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super simple hairstyle with no adjustments made at all, and you don't need VIP obviously for it. Removing everything, and then, well, don't remove everything, I'm just trying to tell you that I just remove everything. Anyways, that's not important. Go to the wavy section, and I'm just going to select this hair. You can color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to color it this color. Then I am going to color it, I'm going to get this other hairstyle. If I can just find it, this one here, that same color. And then I am going to get this hair in that same color. Then lastly, I'm just going to get this hair in that color as well. And that is it. Super cute. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I don't know why this isn't clicking. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.